السلام عليكم. كيف الحال يا طلاب المرحلة الثانية الأعزاء؟ أرجو أن تكونوا بخير وبصحة جيدة. Today we have a new lecture. And please, before I begin the lecture, I'd like to give you an assignment, a homework. أنا أعطيكم واجب بيتي اللي هو تمرين number 1 and number 2 on page 25 على صفحة 52 في كتابكم المنهجي. number 1 number 2 على استخدام while وين اللي درسناها بالمحاضرة السابقة. اوكي number 1 and number 2 تمرينين حلوها ودزوا لي اياها على الكلاس ورك بليز. اوكي now عندنا استخدام fortunately and unfortunately لحسن الحظ ولسوء الحظ. شوف نستخدمه ويا شلون نقول ويا الجود انسيدنتس الأحداث الجيدة نستخدم fortunately لحسن الحظ. لسوء الحظ نستخدمه ويا الأحداث يعني السيئة أو المؤسفة غير مرغوب بيها مثل إيش with bad incidents. شوف نقول I went for a walk. I went for a walk. Okay. Unfortunately, it began to rain. شوف unfortunately لسوء الحظ بدأت تمطر. Fortunately, I had an umbrella. I had an umbrella. Fortunately, I had an umbrella. Yes. Now, unfortunately, it was broken. لسوء الحظ المظلة كانت مكسورة. Fortunately, I met a friend in his car. لحسن الحظ I met a friend in his car. Unfortunately, his car ran out of petrol. سيارته خلص بنزينها مثل ما يقول. Unfortunately, his car ran out of petrol. Ran out of يعني خلص منها نفد الشيء. Okay. بعدين fortunately I took a taxi or something back home. I took a taxi back home. Now, number 4. Tell similar stories about the class. Around the class, I'm sorry. Tell similar stories around the class. Begin with these sentences. I lost my wallet yesterday. فقدت محفظتي البارحة. شو نقول؟ Unfortunately, there was much cash in it, much cash money in it. Unfortunately, can be. Okay. Well, fortunately, شو نقول؟ Fortunately, the police caught the thief who stole my wallet before he was able to spend any money. Okay. يعني fortunately الشرطة ألقوا قبض على اللص اللي يسرق محفظتي بدون أن يتمكن قبل أن يتمكن من إنفاق أي مبلغ منها يعني رجعت لي كاملة. Okay, now we have it was my birthday last week. It was my birthday last week. Fortunately, I was able to invite all my friends. Fortunately. But unfortunately, not all of them attended my birthday party. Okay. Now, we went out for a meal last night. We went out for a meal last night. So, unfortunately, the restaurant we went to was a vegetarian restaurant. يعني يقدم أكلات نباتية فقط. Okay. Fortunately, we moved to another restaurant which served meat dishes or meat courses اللي بوجبات لحوم. Okay, now we have there was a really good film on TV last night. Okay, there was a really good film on TV last night. Okay, unfortunately electric power went out, يعني انطفأت. Okay, but fortunately I ran my little generator to keep watching the movie. عندي مولد كهرباء. I ran, شغلت. I started my little electric power generator to keep watching the movie. Okay, now we have this on this page. Yes, this story. Teenager goes on spending spree with brother's credit card. هذا اللي